Yeah, you can go.
Okay. Hey, my mom asked me to become the expert on what teen girls want for Christmas. And being a teen, I grabbed out my phone and texted all of my friends.
A lot of teens love clear cases because they can decorate it however they want.
I love to put Polaroid pictures in it, or if you have any stickers, it's so much fun to decorate it because you can style it however you want.
A lot of teens collect stickers, and so even if they don't have any, you can go out and buy them. A lot of teens love to play music, especially composing it themselves, and a ukulele is perfect for that. Next, we have AirPods. We both love music so much, and AirPods are so helpful for that because you can really put it in your ear. It's Bluetooth, so you don't have to have any cords or connected to it, and you can get a really stylish case with it that protects it, and the case charges the AirPods, so you don't have to plug it in as often.
Next, we have the Lange Products. I love these. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, next we have the Lange Products, or any hair products. I love these. I actually got this straightener for Christmas last year, and it's my favorite Christmas gift I've gotten. It's really nice for straightening because I keep trying to go to the what? What's this called? This thing is thicker than normal straighteners.
Why would that matter?
Because it's nicer and it gets your hair done faster. Next we have hair products, or this is my favorite, is Lange, and it's really nice for straightening, or there's the curling iron. My mom is always trying to steal this from me because she loves it way more than her other straightener.
Yep, and the curling iron's good too because it can curl your hair super quick and it stays for longer.
I got this for Christmas last year, and it's my favorite Christmas gift by far. Okay, next we have shoes. Girls love shoes, so get any type of shoes. Right now popular are Birkenstocks, Air Force Ones.
Don't forget about Doc Martens.
And Jordans. Now we have trending clothes. I love mom jeans or oversized sweatshirts. Also, flare jeans are coming back.
Oh yeah. Sometimes jeans are the best way to go because teens also like leggings because those can be really comfortable, but sometimes just a good pair of mom jeans will do. Okay, this one we're both so excited for because it's like our favorite one ever. Okay, when this one was brought home, we were so hyped about it. Okay, so it's a record player, and you can put the records on, and then it can play music. But look, you can get different covers for your records. And look, this one's Taylor Swift, this one's Harry Styles, and they're so cool because they have so many different options that you can choose from. This one comes with stickers, and a lot of teens like stickers. Even if it doesn't come with them like this record player did, I'm sure they've had collected stickers that they keep and they could decorate with.
That's it for us today. All the links will be in the description below so you can easily find something awesome for your teens. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.